welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to try to play with slime while my mom is driving, but right now my mom's not here because she went to go pick up my Nana Gris, because we're gonna go eat for Denny's, so I have to do this video really quickly. So let's just get started. Alright guys, so my mom's about to come, so I'm gonna do this really quickly. Like, not that she won't let me, but it's just like she doesn't want me playing on this. So I'm gonna do this really quickly. So I'm just gonna do one slime. So this is the slime that, if you go check out my cousin's channel, Itzel, ITZEL, I think. I'll put it in the down in the descriptions, whatever you say that, and I'll put it down there. And make sure to go check out her channel, because we did some things with this slime in her channel, so go check that out. Alright guys, so if you guys cannot tell, I know it looks blue, but it is actually purple, because like a really dark purple. So hold on, oh man, it's kind of sticky, but it's okay. See, like, it kind of looks purple there. Say hi.
Hi. My name is Aaliyah because I'm right here.
We should make a channel with her. Maybe in the next video. Comment down below if you want to make a channel. If you want me to make a video with her, or do you want me to make a video with him? Say hi. Say hi. He's shy. So comment down below if you want to make a video with Austin over here. He's my little brother, and my little sister Aaliyah. Which one? If you want, you can choose both. So yeah, you can give me some ideas to do in the next video. Alright guys, back to the slime.
Yep.
It's actually not that bad. And if you didn't know, I am actually in San Diego, I think. Yeah, I'm in San Diego right now. I'm not home. This neighborhood is not my favorite, but no, I wasn't trying to be rude, but it's okay. But just look over here, look at this. Do you know these cars? You know these little things? Those are the cars for the Navy, the Army, and all that stuff. So just in case you guys didn't know, my grandpa, he just died, I think February 15th or 16th or maybe 17th, I don't remember, 2018, so this year. And I'm really sad, and he was in the World War II. And yeah, it's just really sad. My grandma she's doing good, but she really misses him. He was like the best grandpa I've ever known. Like, he was there my whole life, and he just like supported me. My brother Austin, he had a really good connection with him. They had like this secret code that they used to do all the time. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to make a big bubble. So let me just like try to position this camera real quick. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try my best. Don't make fun of me. Alright, so let's do this. Dang it. I just love the crunchiness. Here's another thing you should comment down below. Comment down below what type of slime you like and what types of slime you would like me to do. Ugh, I'm terrible at this.
Bye.
Well, I'm terrible at it in the car.
Bye.
I'm really good at it like other places. Alright. So I don't know why it looks blue. I mean, it's actually purple. I don't know what it is. Here, hold on.
Hi.
I just moved all the stuff that was right here.
Mama's going to bed.
Put that down so we have more room. I'm gonna try to make it like a circle.
Hi, Daddy. Hi. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. See, this is my phone. The baby sees you. Bye, Dad. Bye.
I don't know why it's all right here. It's all white. It's really bright outside, I think that's why.
The sound place your slime.
No! I messed it up. Cover your mouth, Aaliyah. She's always coughing everywhere. Alright, that's not bad right there. Just in case you guys wanted to know, this is just regular slime. No, it's too. You'll make it everywhere. Well, actually, maybe in the next video, I will let you touch all my slimes. Maybe. I don't know yet. Because all my slimes are delicate for me. I don't know why. But I think we're going to have to close this video right here. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked me playing the slime in the car. It was actually kind of harder than I thought it would be. It was a little more harder actually. It wasn't that kind of, but like it was a little. And make sure to subscribe, comment down below what I told you guys to do if you guys wanted us to see that. Let's try to get this video about 3 likes. So 3 likes.
Okay,
and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.